Hey everyone, welcome back to Technicos. Today we are diving into something that's been buzzing in the dev world, Google's new AI tool called Stitch. Okay, this is the actual spelling. Let me search it for you, Google Stitch, and let me open that. You can see what it does actually. It's a UI developer AI that can literally design for the web as well as mobile, generate HTML code, and even spit out a complete Figma design. As someone who is more backend focused and not hugely fascinated by frontend, I find this tool both exciting and a bit scary. Okay, so the big question is UI development dead or is it just evolving? In this video, I will test Stitch by asking it to replicate a real world project, my own site. Okay, we will compare the AI generated HTML design and we will also see how effectively it can generate the Figma for us. So it's still in beta phase. There are two modes. One is standard mode, other one is experimental, in which you can upload some attachments to it, like you have some design that you want to replicate or something. For now, we will make a web app. Let's think of an idea and develop it. Okay. So this is one prompt that I have given to it. It's for gym training app. Okay. So the interface is very simple. Design a modern responsive gym training app interface for both web and mobile. The app should include a home page. We need that, a dashboard which has user's name, today's workout summary, and a progress tracker. Okay, we all need these things in a simple gym training app. Other than that, we need a workout plan section showing a list of training programs, that is full body, cardio, strength, each with an image, duration and difficulty level. Then exercise details screen showing step-by-step instruction, a demo, image, video, placeholder and target muscles. Okay, we need a nav bar, we need clean modern UI. Okay, first of all, let's just not go for this line. Let me remove this much. Interface, yeah, let's generate. We are in experimental mode. Let's just generate it. So it's generating the UI for us. Okay, I'm excited to see what it can generate. I'm not a big fan of these AIs, but still, if someone like me who is more into backend can get good UI, then why not? Okay, we got the UI. Okay, Fit Life, nice name. We have workouts, nutrition, community. Welcome back, Sarah. Okay, we have full body strength, 45 minutes and 5 exercises. Weekly progress. Okay, it's really good. Weekly goal, 4 out of 5. Featured workouts, good. Then we have workout section where we have a plan that fits your fitness level goal. Cardio, kickstart, strength, okay, yoga flow. This is extremely impressive. Okay, if we go to squats, okay, then we have instructions, starting position, lowering phase, depth, target muscles. This is actually clean UI. Okay, what about this page? Okay, I don't know, maybe the last thing was to have a nav bar, so it did that. Leave it. But the rest of the pages are extremely good. Although what we can do is we can get the code, but we cannot get the Figma file because it is saying that Figma export only available in standard mode. So I did a mistake. So let's do the same thing in standard mode. Let me copy this, get back. We will go back to your standard mode and let's generate. Okay, we got the result for the standard mode. We have welcome back, Sarah, today's workout, and the graph is good, but still we did not get any of the progress, community, settings pages. I don't know why, but we get the Figma. Okay, let's open this. We will copy this. So I pasted the design in the Figma. Let's see how interactive it is. Okay, it does have a lot of things, so it's actually good. Okay, if you're not much into front end, you can use this AI. It's really good, but I think experimental part was better than the standard mode. So now the moment of truth. Let me show you something that I was working on called Opensourceify. So this is the front end code. A lot of things I have designed, and let me first show you how the app looks like. Yeah, so this is the design of Opensourceify. It's like a community driven. You have projects, and in which you will get all the open source projects based on your domain. You can push your projects to the database and others can contribute to those projects, but make sure that those projects must be open source. Okay, and we have learning section which has all the different types of programming languages, and yeah, don't comment that HTML is not a programming language, I know that. And we have profile, so it's basic UI. So let's replicate this and how accurately it can replicate this Opensourceify website that I worked nearly around 3 weeks to design this. So I have taken one screenshot, and now let's close this, get back to your browser and new design, experimental mode. Now I have added the screenshot and I will paste the prompt in which I have mentioned everything, like what we need to do. Nav bar, it should be fixed at the top, logo, and we have home section. We have 3 cards below the hero, horizontal layout, and then what are the things written in there. We have a project section or project page, we have a learning page, we have a profile page. Okay, so I used ChatGPT to write this prompt. I have not written it, but yeah, let's see how good it is. We will generate the design. Okay, we got the result, and this is actually crazy that it has given us the exact UI. Open source projects, wow, this is actually pretty cool. And learning and your skill growth, we have Rust, JavaScript, explore resources. Okay, this is actually good. And the last, we have user profile with the skill and contribution about us. This is actually impressive. I didn't expect it to be this good, and yeah, maybe better than my UI. Crazy bro, crazy. So do we have the code? Let's see if we have the code. Okay, you can further edit as you want, but let me just see if we can get the code. Okay, why we are not getting the code? Okay, it's not scrolling further. Let me just inspect this. Yeah, we do have the code as well. We copied the code. Let me check. We got the prompt, not the code. Let me just see what is the issue with the browser. Let's see. The previous one we created, the gym training app. Yeah, this one. If I click on this, and we do have a code. Yeah, maybe the prompt was too long for the previous Opensourceify. Let's paste this, and let me just close the terminal and save this. And if I open with live server, yeah, exactly the same UI. We're getting the exact same UI. So we do get the code as well. It's really impressive. It's actually impressive. So finally, we can have a final thought on this. So after trying out Stitch and seeing what it can do, here's what I think. Yes, AI is getting really good at generating UI, and for small projects or early stage SaaS applications, it can definitely save a lot of time. In fact, I even asked a friend who works at a big tech company, and he told me that while AI generated UIs are using in some cases, especially for quick MVPs or internal tools, large companies still rely on skilled front-end developers to build scalable, accessible, and reliable polished interfaces. The reality is that tools like Stitch are here to help, not replace. They are great for prototyping, inspiration, or speeding up simple tasks, but real-world applications still need human touch, creativity, problem solving, and the kind of context AI just can't fully grasp. So no, UI development is not dead, it's just evolving. And if we learn to work with these tools instead of fearing them, we will actually become more efficient and more valuable as developers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Technicos.